Welcome to my Gadgets Material Review channel. Please, subscribe. Silicone clip-on colander, heat-resistant drainer for vegetables and pasta noodles, kitchen gadgets for bowl, pots, and pans, essential home cooking tools, gray material, silicone color, gray brand, Kitchen Gizmo style, snap-on product dimensions, 10 inches L by 5 inches W by 2.5 inches H. About this item. Plastic, original manufacturer. This is the original snap and strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. This fine mesh strainer is easy to use and makes the perfect kitchen accessory. It is sure to stand out among other basic strainers, kitchen colander, and accessories. Universal design. The specially designed clips easily snap onto round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, including lipped bowls. Save time by straining while the food stays in the pot. Space saving. This small, compact strainer is easy to use and store in a quarter the size of the traditional colander. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget subscribe.